Happy Friday of the week. Please take out your English textbook. We continue page 19. Learn to write.
C R Cur
Learn to sound.
C R. The sound of CR is cur. Cur, as in crab. Crab.
C-R, cur. Cur, as in crab.
Cur. Cur.
Cur. Cur. Learn to sing.
Crab begins with a sound of cur, sound of cur, sound of cur. Crab begins with a sound of cur, 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 cur.
Learn to read.
Cur. I cry.
Cur. I cry. C-R-Y. Cry.
Cur. All. Crawl.
Cur. All. Crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl.
Cur. Ib. Crib.
Cur. Ib. Creep. C-R-I-B. Creep.
Cur. Acres. Crackers.
Cur. Crackers. Crackers. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S. Crackers.
The hungry baby is crying.
The hungry baby is crying.
He crawls out of his crib.
He crawls out of his crib.
He looks around for crackers.
He looks around for crackers. The hungry baby is crying. He crawls out of his crib. He looks around for crackers. Learn to answer. Questions number 1. Who is crying? Yes, you're right. The answer is the hungry baby is crying. So children, please write the answer. Questions number 2. Where does he crawl out of? He crawls out of his... Children, do you get the answer? Please write the answer. See you next week. Bye-bye.